A global panorama, but one that reflects on the United States economy. In the world, in 2023, fuel costs represented 10% of family income in logistics companies, supplies cost up to a quarter of the transportation cost. This was the reality of many countries. With the current economy, many professionals are working in app-based companies. Drivers on these platforms spend half of their money on supplies. Hybrid and electric vehicles are in fashion, but in a continental country like the United States, they do not always find a quick supply structure, especially in less populated places, such as deserts and forest parks. Electricity is expensive. Operator service leaves something to be desired with frequent blackouts, in addition to constant increases in prices. The electrical networks have been structured, but how long will they support the significant increase in electric vehicles? We are focused on solving problems. More than that, we want to anticipate with solutions. This is the philosophy of Tury, a Brazilian company with a tradition in developing technologies for your needs. And with this in mind, we created FastMax, a versatile piece of equipment that will help you save fuel. With our worldwide patent, FastMax is already present in almost 30 countries. With a practical app, it is possible to adjust the car's operation using your smartphone. By activating Eco Mode, the vehicle prioritizes fuel economy. The accessory is integrated with the electronic throttle signals. Imagine up to 25% fuel savings. A quick calculation: a popular car has around 27 gallons. It would be the same as saving almost 7 gallons per fill-up. Thinking about autonomy, instead of this car doing 650 miles, with a Fast it will do more than 800 miles. FastMax's Eco Mode can be selected for cars, Harley-Davidson, trucks, buses, jet skis, UTVs, ATVs, among others. It has 9 adjustable modes, corresponding to the desired economy levels. In addition to being compatible with any fuel, be it gasoline, methanol, diesel, CNG, hybrid propulsion engines, and even electric engines. Installation is quick and safe, 100% plug-and-play, maintaining the vehicle's originality. To learn about the functions of this technology and everything the device has to offer, visit the www.tury.com/fast website, and we will be ready to serve you, your company, and your vehicles.